Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about saffron and even share why it is so expensive to grow saffron. In this world filled with billions of expensive spices, saffron stands out. Can you believe the fact that saffron is more expensive than gold? Yes, it is. Saffron is also known as kunkuma puvu due to its stunning shade of crimson. It comes from the flower known as Crocus sativus, also known as saffron crocus or autumn crocus. It belongs to Eridaceae family. It is obtained from the bulb of crocus. The stigma and the style of the flower are also known as threads. They are collected and dried for use mainly as seasoning and coloring agent in food. Each of the saffron flower carries three threads. They are perennials and take a large space for growing. It is an autumn blooming species. It is grown from the bulbs through which only one flower can be obtained. In India, it is mostly cultivated in Kashmir. It is really easy to grow. You just need to plant the bulb 4 to 5 inches deep in soil. It requires a lot of sunlight. Well-drained soil is must as the flowers are sensitive. The flowers close at the night time. If the flowers are not harvested at the right time, the taste, essence, the color, and the size changes. Saffron is really expensive because no machine can be used to separate the stigma and should be removed with hands. Since such a small part of the flower is used, it takes more than 70,000 saffron flowers to make 0.454 kgs. The harvesting is done manually and it isn't simple to separate the threads as they are very delicate, leading them to be majorly expensive. I hope that this video was informative. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe.